Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to delete Tinder account permanently. So let's start. First, let's go to Tinder. Now that we are here, let's go to our profile in the right corner, okay? So now let's go to the settings. So let's press the settings in the right corner again. And now just scroll down until the end. Here we have the option that says delete account. Just click there. And there is the option that says that pause my account. If you pause your account, it is temporary. But if you want to delete your account permanently, just click on delete my account. Here we'll ask you why you want to delete your account. You can select whatever you want. If there is nothing, just skip. And then you can click on confirm your delete account. I don't press any button because I don't want to delete my account on Tinder, but if you want to delete, just click on skip or whatever reason you want, and that's it. You will delete your Tinder account permanently. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.